You're watching Telecom TV. We're joining from Central London and from Orange Business Briefing Update to learn more about Orange Business's strategy. So now I'm delighted to be joined by Hriday Ravindranath, Chief Digital and Information Officer at Orange Business. Thanks for having us here.
Thank you for having me.
And can you tell us more about your digital native strategy and the transformation that is supporting it?
Sure. We're going to embark on one of the most transformative plans, and I believe in our history when it comes to digital and IT. So at the core of this is about being digital first. And this is about moving our entire business online by creating a whole new set of digital assets. This is a relaunch of our orangebusiness.com marketing website, then building a new e-shop portal, which will house our entire e-commerce journey, including a basket checkout experience for our products and services, building a new e-care capability for our customers to be able to manage our services online, and finally building a developer portal so our customers and partners can consume and manage SDKs and APIs as well if they want to use their own systems to be able to engage with us. And underneath that new digital front end, we're building a brand new IT tech platform, an entire end-to-end stack all the way down to the network. We're building that completely greenfield. And the reason we're going greenfield is to unencumber us from the past, because all of our products and services are going through a generational shift. And customers' expectations are changing completely in the way they want to consume those services from us. And hence, we're rebuilding our entire stack from the ground up, completely greenfield. So pretty ambitious plan.
You have talked about data and AI at scale. What does that mean in practice?
Yeah, again, with most companies of our scale, we have a huge amount of incredibly valuable data. But our data still tends to be quite fragmented and not in the right place so that we can actually exploit it at scale. One of the big shifts we're doing is we're now moving all of our data to the right place, to one place across the public cloud ecosystem such that we can actually exploit this at scale. We're also going to be embedding data and AI capability, not just into our own operational environment, which is a journey we've started on several years ago, but we're also now going to be shifting some of those capabilities to some of the products and services we take to our customers. Obviously, with a huge explosion of Gen AI, we're looking at also embedding this both within our own operational environment, but also within some of our products and services that we sell.
And sustainability is underpinning a lot of what you're doing. How is this affecting specifically IT operations?
Yeah, this is again one of the key drivers in the way we actually run our own IT, whether it's the choices we make with our partners, how we manage and run our own internal IT operations, whether it's how we manage end of service life and how we extend capability and equipment so that we can manage the life cycle of that better. Also ensuring that we're taking into consideration circularity when we're actually doing technology refreshes. So this is a pretty fundamental part to our strategy. Also, as we're building our new IT stack, we're also using eco-design principles by default as we're building all new capability going forward.
And how important is the people and culture aspect to what you're doing?
I think it's one of the most fundamental parts to this digital transformation. The people and the culture side is probably core to the change, because we come from a very engineering culture where we've worked backwards from technology. We've sort of over-engineered things where we don't need to. The shift we want to make when we're suggesting we'll go digital first is taking a customer or a human perspective, where simplicity in our design will be core. So we're going to use design thinking and human-centered design techniques in the way we build products and services, and that's going to make its way through the way we actually build out our IT stacks. So it's a pretty big shift in how our teams have thought about product and product design, which is what we're going to be embedding into the new world as well.
So lots to be going on and to be looking forward to. Hriday, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.